Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to find suppliers in Indiamart for dropshipping. First, go to the Indiamart website and log in to your account. Search for any product such as storage supplier in the search bar. Review all the search results here along with the mobile number. Search for more products such as jewelry boxes. You will find various products at reasonable prices. Review all the products you want to buy. As you can see, I've searched for home decor items. You can choose any of the products here. Review all the products along with price and contact number. Select any product you like to buy and enter your phone number. Click submit and enter details including quantity and requirements. Go to next and add the business or company name. Submit the product details and your details will be sent to the seller. To contact the supplier, go back and click on the Contact Supplier button. You can start a chat with the seller by clicking Take a Tour. Add more details and changes to the products. So that is exactly how to set Zedge ringtone on iPhone.